Hi guys, welcome to the third part of the video series. In this part of the video series we will see how to do the texturing of this adorable reindeer model in Substance Painter. So let's get started. So here we are in Substance Painter. Let's import our model over here. Go to File and click on New. For document resolution, I will keep it 2048. And then select the FBX file which we have already exported out from Maya. And then click on OK. Now here we have our model in Substance Painter. At first, go to Texture Set Settings and click on Bake Mesh Maps. I will keep the output size as 2048, then uncheck the ID map, and then click on Bake Selected Textures. Since I have already applied 3 different materials for body, cap, and muffler, while exporting from Maya, that's why I have 3 separate layers on Texture Set List. So first I will select the body layer, and then from Shelf, select this human back skin material, then drag and drop it on the Layers panel. Now let's adjust this material, select the material layer, and you can increase or decrease the tiling by the scale channel over here. Now over here, as you can see there are some deformation in the texture is happening. This is due to the UV unwrapping, as we have a cut in the edge over here. To solve this issue, change the projection to triplanar projection. And now you can see this solves the issue. And now let's increase the scale value quite a bit so that it looks something like this. Now then, select this layer and apply Add Black Mask on it. Then select Polygon Fill tool and choose UV from here and set the color to white. After that, select the parts that you want to apply this material. Now I will change the color from here. And keep it something like this. And then I will keep the roughness to 0.4. Now select this layer and press Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+V to paste over here. Then apply Add Black Mask on this layer. After that I will lighten up the color to give some variation. And then select the black mask, then go to Polygon Fill tool, and after that I will select these parts. And now for the nose, I will do the same thing. Copy and paste the layer, then add black mask on it. And now select Polygon Fill tool, and then select the nose. After that I will change the color of the nose from here. And now for these 4 hooves, I will select artificial leather material, then drag and drop it on top of the layers. I will only keep the color and the roughness channels, and rest of them I will turn off. Now add black mask on it, and select these parts with Polygon Fill tool. Now right-click on this layer, and choose Add Levels. Also you can choose Add Levels from here. Change it to roughness, and then I will adjust the roughness from here. This is looking nice. Now I will select this black mask of the light brown layer, and I will paint this color on some of these areas. I will open up the 2D 3D view, and then I will start painting on these areas using the brush tool. And now, let's texture the eyes. For that, I will take a fill layer, then add a black mask on it. Now go to Polygon Fill tool, and then select the eyes. And then I will set the roughness quite low, and set the color to almost white. Now I will add a paint channel on this layer. And then resize the brush accordingly so that it matches with the pupil size. And then set the color to black and then start painting the eye. I will increase the size of the brush to make the pupil bigger. And after that, I will add another paint channel on top of it, and this time set the color to white. Then lower the brush size, and then make the reflection effect on these eyes. I kept the UVs of the two eyes on top of each other, so that whatever I am changing on one side, it will update on the other side as well. Now then, let's texture this cap. Select this cap layer from Texture Set List, and delete the default layer. And now from Shelf, I will select this fabric knitted sweater material, then drag and drop this over here. Then I will increase the scale to 16. After that I will add a black mask on this layer, and then select only this part of the cap. And now I will change the color to red. And now I will select Fabric Suit Vintage material, then drag and drop it on top of the layer. Then add a black mask on this layer, and then select these two parts, with Polygon Fill tool. Now I will change the projection to triplanar projection. And then increase the scale to 8. And after that, I will change the color to white. And now, let's texture the muffler. So select this muffler layer and delete the default layer. And then from Shelf, select Scarf Wool material, then drop it to the layer. And now let's adjust the settings of this material. Let's rotate this texture to 90 degrees. And then I will change the color to green. And now I will add a levels channel on this layer, and then I will slightly adjust this slider to add more contrast on it. And now I will set the camera in a suitable position, and then hit the render button. And then I will change the background color to a solid color, something like yellow. And then select a suitable light setup as per your choice, and you are done. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos like this. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications first whenever there is any new video in my channel. Feel free to ask me anything regarding this video in the comments section. Stay safe, and I will see you on the next video.